The drive belt is a critical component of your Maverick X3's CVT system and overall power delivery. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to properly remove, inspect, and reinstall or replace the drive belt. Before beginning, park the vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is shut off and completely cool. The complete tool list required for this maintenance is available in the video description. Start by loosening the gear clamp and disconnecting the CVT hoses from the cover. Remove the cover screws, leaving the center top screw for last to support the cover during removal. Carefully remove the cover and set it aside. Inspect the CVT housing for excessive dust or debris and clean as necessary before proceeding. Install the driven pulley adapter onto the driven pulley shaft. Thread the locking tool into the adapter's offset hole. Using a 3/8-inch drive ratchet with a 13mm socket, tighten the tool to open the driven pulley sheaves and create slack in the belt. With the pulley open, slide the belt off the clutches and remove it from the system. Clean the sheaves with a clean cloth and acetone to remove belt residue or oils, watching for any signs of wear or glazing on the clutches. Next, inspect the belt for cracks, fraying, glazing, burn marks, or uneven wear. If any of these conditions are present, replace the belt. If reusing it, clean it with acetone prior to installation. Locate the directional arrow printed on the belt and ensure it points toward the front of the vehicle during installation. With the driven pulley still open, position the belt over the clutches. Once seated, remove the locking tool and pulley adapter. Rotate the driven pulley by hand to allow the belt to rise into its proper position. Confirm the belt is fully seated and properly aligned. Reinstall the CVT cover, starting with the center top screw to align the housing. Install the remaining screws and torque them to specification following the proper sequence. Reconnect the CVT hose and securely tighten the gear clamp. This completes the drive belt service procedure for your Maverick X3. Regular inspection and proper installation are essential for maintaining CVT performance, reliability, and long-term durability in demanding riding conditions.